Hello, so this question is longest palindrome by concatenating two letters or words. So given the string array and each string is length of 2, right? What you want to find out is you want to find out the returns, the longest palindrome you can create. So jump into a solution right away. So if you have LC, right, the mapping for this is going to be CL. It has to be CL. You cannot have another LC. If you do have another LC, this is not palindrome, right? So it has to be CL. So when you add in the string into the map, so it's a key value pair map, you are adding the string with the frequency. So it's going to be 1 right here. And then when you checking, so this is adding. When you checking, you want to check. So when you adding, this is adding. And when you checking, it's going to be the next iteration. You checking. When you checking, you want to check the reverse of a current string. So CL will become the LC, right? Because it's a reverse. You want to check, does the LC is in a map? If this is in a map, in the current situation, you can form a pair, right? So LC and CL. It doesn't matter is it should be matter. No, it shouldn't matter. So LCC is L, OC, LLC, okay? So they are palindrome, right? Alright, now this will be pretty straightforward. So then once you have a pairs, right, you increment. So you can decrement this pair by 1, checking, and then you can also remove, right? And then you will do the original this one and then remove by 1, and then adding is 1, remove is -1, and then you will basically have a count for pairs. So each pair is length of 4, right? So at the end of time, before I return, I will just say the pairs, total pairs times 4, and this will be the length. However, there might be a string that is that's going to be the same, so it's going to be symmetric. What you need to do is if this is symmetric, then you want to know, you will add another length of 2. If there's another symmetric string, which is not going to be a pair, so because it's GG will become a pair, right? Even though they are represent the same thing, right? GG, right? And it doesn't matter. But if they are represent different thing, let's say FF, you have 2 different symmetric pairs, but I mean the string, you are not able to form this into length of 8. The maximum is still length of 6. So if there's a symmetric, basically we just add 2, else we add 0. So that's it. Alright, let me stop coding and you'll understand a little bit what's going on. So I have the string integer key value pair. So it would be better to say num pair, because I'm going to store whatever the string that is not a pair in the map. And then if this is a pair, I'm going to initialize it to 0. Else I'm going to check if this is symmetric, right? And later I will say 4 times pair plus, and then if symmetry is greater than 0, the length should be 2, L should be 0. And traversing the string word, I want to get a reverse word first. String builder word reverse qstring. Am I spelling this correct? String builder. Yes, I'm doing it correctly. So if I'm able to find out the reverse, get a default reverse, then I will do something else. It's going to be a first time adding, right? So it's going to be num pair dot merge with the word. The frequency is going to be 1, adding by 1, and then just adding. So I would declare 1 key value pair starting with this, and then just adding. And then also check about the symmetric. So plus equal. If the words.chart add 0 is equal to word.chart add F1 in, then I will do F1 L0. Pretty straightforward. So if I can find something, so I was LC, right? LC will add it, and then now I'm in CL. CL right now word CL, but the reverse for CL is LC. Does the LC in a map? Yes. Then literally I just need to decrement by 1. So I need to use a reverse, right? Decrement by 1, and also check if the current string is symmetric. If this is symmetric, you don't care about this. You want to form a pair because pair has length of 2. Symmetric only maximum length of 2. And then later on, you want to definitely add in the pairs. So this will be entire solution. Hopefully it's passing. Alright, so pretty straightforward. So this will be the space will be all of them. Possibly you add in all of the string into the pairs. Into the non-pair, which is a map, and you're not able to form any pairs, right? And this will be okay. This will be the time, all of n for the time. This will be the reverse, all of 2. The then maximum is all of 2. Everything else is like constant. So time and space will represent the same, all of them. So that's the solution. See you.